Hello again and welcome back to the channel. Richard here again with another unboxing video, and today it's the new 1080p Blu-ray release of God of Gamblers from 88 Films here in the UK. So this is one of Chow Yun-fat's early films, and as soon as it was announced this was coming out, had to grab it. Picked it up today in store at HMV. So for this one, it's not an oversized release. It isn't a slipcover, it's like a slip box because it's open at the top and the bottom. Really nice artwork on this, I really like it, and now I've unboxed the slip, I can see it's a super high gloss finish. Really nice slipcover for this release. Let's check out the back specifications. Okay, so limited edition slipcase. It's got a double-sided fold-out poster. We've got booklet notes. It's got the original Cantonese mono and 5.1 options with English subtitles. We've also got an English mono track, and we've got an audio commentary with Hong Kong cinema expert David West. And there's a lot more on that. I'm actually going to watch this film tonight, straight away. Get it in before the big football game tonight. It's really nice to see 88 Films releasing these films, because I certainly do miss the Hong Kong Legends label that used to be around on DVD here in the UK. Nice to see these films coming out over here. So that's the slipcover, or slipcase. Okay, let's zoom in on the artwork because it's really nice. Andy Lau's a good actor as well, so yeah, really looking forward to this. Okay, so it's a keep case, 14mm, looks like an Elite. You just know when you look at the top and the side, you know what the cases look like. I might actually be wrong on this one. It does certainly feel like an Elite. Okay, nice artwork on the disc as well, and we do have reversible artwork in the case. So that's the reverse. Yeah. Just check the disc. Yeah, it's a dual layer, 50 gig. Okay, so we got this nice little booklet. Again, I'm not going to give too much away just in case you haven't seen this movie. So there's a look at all the posters for this release. God of Gamblers 2, God of Gamblers Return, God of Gamblers 3. I wonder if we'll get all these films from 88 in the future. That good artwork on the front. The artwork is by Sean Longmore, so shout out to him. Really nice artwork. And there's a shout out, special thanks. And the authoring's been done by Fidelity Motion, so straight away it's going to be a good transfer. They never disappoint. And we got a nice little poster here as well. Okay, nice quality paper. It's a bit of a texture to it. And we've got this new artwork note. So that is Sean's artwork, yeah. So we've got that on one side, and then we've got that on the other side. Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, another nice release from 88 Films. Be good to hear from you in the comments down below, sorry, if you've seen this film before, and are you going to be picking up this new Blu-ray release. yeah, it looks really nice package, this. I said I'm going to watch it now. Gloriously restored, it says, so let's check it out. So yeah, good to hear from you in the comments, and please give us a like. Helps the channel out a lot, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.